All right, Patty, read that one.
Morto un papa, se ne fa un altro.
All right. What do you think that means?
Papa died and something, altro is another. I don't know.
Yeah, it means like when one oops, when one
One
pope
pope
dies, there will be
dies.
another.
Oh, Papa,
Yeah.
that's right.
Yeah.
So
There's another.
life goes on,
Okay.
goes on.
Morto un papa, se ne fa un altro.
Okay.
Perfect. Tony, you got an Italian one here.
Okay, let me ask a question about the Pope though. So if that was going to be a father, a papa, how would it look different?
Like your dad would be father, would be.
Father.
Oh.
All right, Tony, why don't you read this one?
Okay, la mamma dei cretini è sempre incinta.
Incinta.
Okay.
Incinta.
La mamma dei cretini è sempre incinta. And so that C pronounced like a CI or the church C. So incinta. What do you think that means, Tony?
Mama.
The mother that
Cretins?
is always something.
Yeah. So what?
I
So
don't
the
know those
mother of
words.
cretini is like a fool, like a cretin.
Idiots.
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 Yeah. It's sempre incinta. So that means like the mother of idiots is always pregnant.
Oh, I love incinta, of course. Inciente, anciente.
No.
Yeah, I can see that. Yeah.
So there's always, plenty of idiots around, like a sucker's born every minute kind of thing.
That's right.
That where
Cool.
cretin comes from?
God, where did you find these, Larry?
They're amazing. Yeah.
Amazing statements. I got to tell you the truth. Good job.
I don't think anyone would disagree with that one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. Ha.
So, Patty, you're up. You got an Italian one?
Oh, I take Loretta.
Chi non risica non rosica. Oh God, I can't even talk tonight. Rosica.
Non risica, non rosica. I like this one.
Me too.
What do you think that means, Patty?
I don't know.
Nothing ventured.
That means
saying-
he who doesn't risk, risica,
Okay, no, go ahead.
doesn't eat, non rosica. Rosica is kind of like chowing down on food.
Rosica, like chew a piece of bone with food on it,
Would that sort of mean nothing ventured, nothing gained?
Yeah, you could interpret it that way too. Yeah, nothing ventured, nothing gained. You don't come up to the plate, you don't get any hits.
Mm-hmm.
So that's what that one means. Tony,
Okay,
Italian one. What do you think that says?
Aha.
Quando finisce la partita, la partita, il re ed il pedone finiscono nella stessa scatola.
Quando finisce la partita, il re ed il pedone finiscono nella stessa scatola. What do you think that means? Quando finisce,
When something is finished,
The game.
right? La partita, the game.
Mhm.
yeah,
When the game finishes, il re and il pedone, they're talking about chess. I'll give you a hint.
The pawn. Aha.
The re,
Yes. The king
Oh,
and
this
the
is brilliant.
the king, and the pawn finiscono. What do you think that is, Tony? Finiscono.
In the same box.
they finish.
Yep. Finish nella stessa scatola.
Stessa is often, isn't it?
Same, in the same
box.
scatola is box.
Oh, okay.
So when the game is,
That's really great.
I love that. I'm gonna
That's
have
a
to
really
remember
great
that.
idiomatic phrase.
Yeah.
king and the pawn end up in the same box.
But
So,
I don't know, do we have an expression similar to that in English?
I guess you could say you can't take it with you, right? That's
Mhm.
kind of the same one, like, you know, like no matter how rich you are, Sam Walton or King Tut, they leave their billions and millions behind, you know, you can't take it with you. So
Mhm.
it's kind of a similar saying.
Mm.
No matter how much money you have, it stays here when God calls you home, you know.
In the same box.